Okay, so I won't be nearly as detailed, but I do want to show you guys this so you have it for your homework. What's the helper? Y equals sine of x. Now notice I deleted the negative. So eventually I'm going to have two helpers, helper 1 and helper 2. I'm actually, at some point, I'm going to want to plot y equals negative sine x. If you wanted to just jump to y equals negative sine x, that'd be fine. But I'm going to graph a couple of helpers. And it will make it a little bit messy, but that's okay. So my first helper, just sine of x. Like that. Made it a little too long for my axis, but that's okay. And then what does the negative do?
Flips it.
Flips it. So let's see, this is here and here. So the negative out in front inverts the graph. So in green, I'm going to graph this guy in green. Y equals negative sine x. So should hit this point. And I went way too far down with that scale mark. Actually, what I did was I went too far down with that, but oh well, we're in a hurry. So this point stays the same, but this guy goes down here. This guy stays the same. This guy goes up here, and any x-intercept stays where it's at. So the function in green is your main helper function. Make sense? Okay, asymptotes. We've got the y-axis, which has the equation x equals 0. What's this one going to be? X equals, well, actually we need to figure out the period, and I'll mark them in a second. And then this one, usually I do them dotted, but I'm in a hurry. Okay. And so what does the graph look like? Focus on the helper in green.
Left parabola is pointing downwards.
It's not a parabola, because parabolas don't have asymptotes, but it does look like a parabola. It's like downward U shape, I guess. And then here is the upward one. And then you just have, whoops. Once you have that, you just have to work out the scaling, guys. So what's the period of this thing going to be? It doesn't, now, I got in a hurry here. I got a little bit sloppy. I mean, I could have done it that way, but really, you want to include the same argument with your helper functions. Okay, so you can look, to get the period, you can look at this or at this. It's going to be the same formula. And say that the period is 2 pi over whatever number is out in front of the x in either equation, right? So 2 pi over pi, which is 2, which makes this guy 2 right here, or the asymptote x equals 2. And then this guy must be x equals 1. How high does it get? What's the amplitude of your helper function? Yeah. So again, I got a little sloppy here. I could have kept the 3 in front, and then the amplitude is there for you to see, and it is the absolute value of -3. And so this, long story short, this scale mark on the y-axis is 3. This one is -3. The graph in lavender is the graph you're looking for.